Hi children, welcome back to our science class. We have completed chapter Transportation in Animals and Plants. Today, I would like to give a summary of this chapter. In this chapter, we discuss the points. The circulatory system in humans, then excretory system in animals, then transportation of substance in plants. These are the main points we discussed in this chapter. First, we discussed about circulatory system. What is circulatory system? The circulatory system in humans consists of heart, blood and blood vessels. We know that blood is a red colored fluid flow through the blood vessels. So this blood consists, who gave the red color to the blood? Yes, hemoglobin gave the red color to the blood. In this chapter, we discussed about blood, blood vessels and heart. First, we discussed circulatory system. Blood flows in our body through long tubes called blood vessels. What is blood vessels? Blood flows in our body through long tubes called blood vessels. And we know that blood consists different components, different cells of blood. There are three types of blood cells will be there. Red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets. White blood cells fight against the germs to enter the body. Then platelets. What about the platelets? Platelets, the function of platelets means it helps to clot the blood. Okay, and RBC, red blood cells. Red blood cells consist, that means the hemoglobin give the red color to the blood. So red blood cells consist hemoglobin. Okay, then after that we discussed about this blood vessels. Three types of blood vessels will be there. What is blood vessels? Blood flows in our body through long tubes called blood vessels. Three types of blood vessels will be there. Mainly three types. Veins, arteries and capillaries. What is veins? Yes, the blood vessels that carry carbon dioxide rich blood from different organs from the body to the heart is called vein. Vein carrying carbon dioxide rich blood from different organs of the body to the heart. So what about artery? Artery carry oxygen rich blood from heart to the different parts of the body. Okay, and third one, capillaries. Capillaries are extremely thin tubes that connecting the arteries and veins. Okay, after that we discussed about heart. We know that heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood to all parts of our body. The heart is a four-chambered muscular pumping organ of the body. It pumps blood to all parts of the body with the help of blood. Okay, there are four chambers will be there. Two upper chambers and two lower chambers. Upper chambers, that means left and right atrium. Left atrium will be there, right atrium will be there. Then lower chambers, left ventricle and right ventricle. With the help of these chambers, the heart pumps, with the help of these chambers and the blood vessels, heart pumps blood to all parts of our body. Return these veins carrying carbon dioxide rich blood from different organs from our body to the heart. Okay, so we know that arteries carrying oxygen from the heart to the different parts of our body. Veins carrying carbon dioxide rich blood from different parts of the body to the heart, except pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. What is the function of pulmonary artery? Pulmonary artery carrying deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. Lungs purify the blood. What is the function of lungs? Lungs purifies the blood. And what about pulmonary vein? Except pulmonary vein, other veins are collect carbon dioxide from different parts to the heart, except pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein carrying oxygenated blood from the heart, from the lungs to the heart, from the lungs to the heart. Okay, so this is the function of heart. Through the blood vessels, blood is distributed to all parts of our body. After that, we discussed about excretion. What is excretion? Yes, excretion is the process of removal of waste from the body. Our human body excrete the waste through, that means in the form of sweat and urine. Okay, so we discussed about the excretory system in humans. It is the well-developed system in our human body. Excretory system in human consists of a pair of bean-shaped kidneys, ureters, urethra and urinary bladder. These are the main parts. Pair of kidneys, that means 2 kidneys. Then urethra, ureters, urethra and urinary bladder. What happened now? Each kidneys consists large amount of coil tubes called nephrons. Through this, with the help of this nephrons, the blood is filtered through this nephrons and the unwanted substances is, the useful substances is called back. That means it is absorbed back to the blood. And the unwanted materials is filtered and it is dissolved in water as urine. So this urine reaches to the urinary bladder through ureters. 2 ureters will be there, long tubes. Through these ureters, the urine reaches to the urinary bladder. So it is stored. Urinary bladder, urine is stored. After that, urinary opening, urethra is there. So urethra consisting urinary opening. Through the urinary opening, it is go out. That's the removal, waste removal happened. Okay, so that is called the excretion. The excretion means excretion is the process of removal of waste from the body. Got it? After that, we discussed about not only the animals, plants also have this transportation system. Transportation of substances in plants. We know that food is needed. All organisms need for food. For what? Yes, for getting energy. Okay, so in the plant's case also, water, minerals, nutrients and food also distributed to all parts of the plant because they need energy. So plants also, in plants consisting, that's vascular tissues. Vascular tissues helps to transport this minerals, nutrients, water and this leaves prepared food also. It is distributed to all parts of the plant. Okay. So, xylem and phloem are the 2 types of vascular tissues present in the plant. Then, after that, we discussed about transpiration. What is transpiration? Yes, the excess water is removed. It is the evaporation method. That means the excess water present in the plant, it is removed through the stomata. That is called transpiration. Okay, what is transpiration? The removal of excess water from the plants through the stomata. That is called transpiration. Thank you.